The short answer to the basic question is, what is the state of Texas doing about recovery? And the answer to that is zero. But back in the 50s, Arkansas didn't see it that way. And so the wildlife officials and management decided, without legislative approval, they just brought in something like almost 540 or so black bear out of Minnesota and Ontario, and restock and recover the black bear population of Arkansas. And that has now expanded into Oklahoma as well. So that was initiative, good management, futuristic outlook for having black bear populations that had also been decimated in that state. And then Louisiana did the same thing some 10 years or so later, back in the 60s, the early 60s. And about 1962 or so, they brought in about 160, 66 black bear from Minnesota also and released them into Louisiana at different points. And then Louisiana got smart with the help of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and began restoration and recovery efforts back in the 70s. With the Endangered Species Act support, it got listed, and the Louisiana black bear over the next 25 more years now was subject to a program of recovery, and it did very well. They had maybe only about 100 bear left in Louisiana back in the 70s, again in the Bottomlands. And the real major impetus that drove restoration was concern about losing the bottomland, not the bear so much, but it was also recognized that the bear lived there. And so the bear got restored along the way. But it was concerned about losing the bottomlands. The official policy of Texas Parks and Wildlife in terms of bear management is natural recolonization. And that process continues. But in the biological world of the black bear, that's a very slow process unless it's aided by certain natural forces like a drought, which is what brought them back to West Texas out of Mexico. And as we go forward with climate change, maybe in decades ahead, we may see that here. And so we would be bypassing that enormous difficulty of getting the officials, the general population, landowners on board to have an active recovery program for black bear in Southeast Texas. That's a very difficult thing to unfold. If a natural recolonization process brought the Louisiana black bear to Southeast Texas, we would all clap and support that. And thank the lucky stars,